Hi, in this video I want to share with you how you can actually screencast from your device to the television. So you can see here I have an HDTV and I can cast the screen to the TV. Now you can cast to the screen without using a home Wi-Fi network, provided you have the right device. In the past, with the Samsung Galaxy S4 or S5, you can use a device like this one here, right here, MHL. So this one right here, so you can plug it into your phone with a USB port down here, and then you can use this one and then plug the HDMI cable to the TV and it works. Now with the S7s and S8 or S9, it will no longer work. So in order for you to cast to the TV, you need to get a special device that you can actually cast it wirelessly. Now one of the problem with casting it wirelessly is that some devices such as Chromecast require you to connect to a home Wi-Fi network. So what happens if you go into a hotel or a place where there's no Wi-Fi, or what happens if you have a TV in your truck? If you're driving a truck and you got a TV and you want to cast from your phone to that TV. So one of the simple things that you can do is getting this device here. So I'm just gonna open up. So there are devices such as this one here called Victoni wireless Wi-Fi. There's another one called Action Tech Screen Mini 2 wireless display, or you can actually get this mirror screen, AirPlay mirror cast. So they all work very similar. So there's a lot of different ones, but you can get that kind of device, and it will allow you to cast directly from your mobile device to that dongle. So you do not need to connect through the Wi-Fi. You can connect through a Wi-Fi if you wanted to, but if you haven't got a Wi-Fi network, then you can basically cast directly to that dongle, and you can stream content from your device to the TV. And that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you. So some people wondering, without the MHL cables, how are they going to be able to cast the screen from your Samsung Galaxy S7, S8 or S9 to the TV without the home Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.